there I was, minding my own business and working on the Note 9 video. And then my friend Scott, he's not an influencer, maybe a bad influencer. He said, did you get the Spider-Man game? Because I loved the Spider-Man game when I played it during E3. While we were playing PUBG, I just bought the game from Best Buy, and today I went there and someone in front of me bought this console, and that did it. So I asked them if they had one, they said no. I went to a GameStop, I asked them if they had one, they said no, and I went to Target, I asked them if they had one, and they said, are you the guy who called? And I said no. Apparently there was a guy who called to get this, so if you're that guy, I am sorry. I got it. This is such a good looking PlayStation that I wanted to unbox first and then maybe release a review of this game, which I think is fantastic. So let's get to it. Let's start with looking at the box. We're seeing Mr. Negative, diverse people back here, and on top here it says Daily Bulge. I think it says Daily Bulge. It's what you get in the morning. And then a broken tempered glass, and they're fighting. His suit is ripped. Cool beans. And then this on the front side, we're seeing that it's 1 terabyte, 4K HDR, PlayStation 4 Pro, Dual Shock, Marvel Spider-Man, and then headset, HDMI cable, and stuff. I was aiming for the 5 million limited edition PlayStation, but that didn't work because I was driving that day and I completely forgot. So here we go. Oh, it also says Amazing Red here. Okay. I should have guessed this because I also have the GTA version of PlayStation. It's box in a box. And we are greeted with a quick start guide. And here is the game, not for resale. Let's see what's in this. Power cable, micro USB cable, HDMI cable, and I think we have the remote controller here. Headset. Here is the remote controller. Wow, it's just beautiful. I love the red remote controller. I have this one as well. It's one of my favorite PlayStation controllers. Now let's move on to the real deal. All right, here it is. Oh, I like this. We have the PlayStation logo in the back. The connections are here. I don't know if you guys will be able to see this, but right here we have the square, triangle, round, and X. They didn't put it this way, but they put it that way. I think it's because they're thinking that it's gonna be placed like this. This is the front. Oh, also at the bottom, you can see the PlayStation symbols. Now I'm gonna plug this in and transfer all my files to the PlayStation 4. All right, finally. That's not nice. Okay, this was supposed to be just an unboxing, but while we're at this, we may as well look at the game a little bit. I've been playing it a little bit. I just got punched. And it's one of the boss fights. I think this is the first one, of course. And it's teaching you how to play. I gotta say, the 4K and HDR makes a huge difference. Oops. And when you get a little bit of hang of it, you can play it really well. The graphics are really nice. Oops. Kind of reminds me of the Batman game.
You asked for it.
Oops. Well, by the way, the controller has changed a little bit. Now you can see if it's on. You can see this light here as well. And now I'm gonna go back and keep on playing this game. So thank you very much for watching this episode, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please hit that subscribe button. I must have a subscribe button somewhere here on the screen. Hit that subscribe button and play Ding Dong Ditch with the bell next to it and join the world domination. And please let me know what you think about Sony PlayStation 4 Pro Spider-Man Limited Edition in the comment section below. And until I see you the next time, which is probably going to be Note 9 review that I'm delaying constantly. Until I see you the next time with that video, take really good care of yourselves and hoşça kalın.